Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well and I'm as always amazing. So today I'm going to do one more unfold of one of my design because according to me, the best way to learn designing is to practice it. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe and you can also watch the design unfold playlist. I will give it to you I button here. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe. And if you like the video, make sure to hit a like also. So yeah, let's move to the screen now. So we are here at my screen now, and today we are going to unfold one of my Instagram posts which I was practicing or I was maybe making it for my portfolio for the food industry. So yeah, we would go from starting and let's remove all the layers. And yeah, so starting, we just chose a background color. What should be the background color? And I just make a design out of it. We can just use a selection tool. I just show you where how I made this orange stuff. Okay, you just uh, take pen tool and just make some curves. And yeah, it was very random. And you make curve and make a selection and just go to paint bucket tool and use the color and then go to select and deselect. So for orange color it is random, but when I was designing it I make it more curvy. So yeah, this was, and then I added this image to the background. This image I downloaded from internet. You can also download it in the PNG format. I basically downloaded from Canva. I just searched in the elements food and I got this amazing PNG transparent, and I downloaded a PNG transparent image from that because I have Canva Pro version. So yeah, I used it, and this I was testing out but didn't work for me. So then I just use a image and just added levels layer. Levels are like, earlier it was looking very flat, but using levels I image got a little bit crispier. So let me bring it to the original one position. So yeah, and then I added a shadow here. I already told how you can create shadow. You can watch the video. I will give the link in the I button. And yeah, then I created a shadow, and then yeah, it was like about adding some fonts. Today's limited offer. Okay, and this group, why this group? Because the text consists of two stuffs. One is the M and one is ENU. Because I didn't like the M of the similar font, it was, let me disable the layer mask. So the M was like something this, and menu was not looking good. So yeah, I added I make another font layer. I just type M and ENU different and added a mask, and you can see I removed this and this. So you can add a mask and remove this thing and group them because I have to move them together. So, or to apply an effect, I grouped them, and this font today special limited offer, and this special I chose a different font to make a difference. And this is also a PNG image I downloaded from again Canva Elements. It is very helpful for me, but you can also download it from, you can use either Google search or Bing search or any other you want to, or any other platform you want to download. You can download this image and use this to create a different effect. And yeah, then I again downloaded this from Canva, but you can download it from anywhere else to make a great effect to show the offer. Okay, so then yeah, I placed it here because don't have any logo, so I just randomly placed because it was related to food sector, so I just randomly placed, again downloaded from Canva, and then I drawed a rectangle using rounded rectangle using this tool. Okay, it's not rounded. Just select rounded rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, and you can change the color from here. You can add border if needed, and you can change its dimensions. Okay, color is not changed, but you can add rectangle in the similar way. I don't know where the rectangle has gone, so let's forget about it. And then just this font or this text order now, and then this I wanted to show free home delivery, so yeah, just added the font and again downloaded this icon from Canva. And yeah, Canva is pretty amazing. If you have a pro version, you can download it. You can download free PNG images or PNG icons, and yeah, it's very great. And yeah, we are done with the today's post. So if you have enjoyed the video, or if you have learned something from the video, make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, please hit a subscribe. And you can follow me on different social media platforms. I will give the links in the description. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye guys.